Hey everybody, we're going to be trying nail stamping today. So I already have a base coat down on my nails. It's kind of tacky right now, and I think I'm going to try and go with this pattern. I only have one hand done. Hopefully that'll make it easier. Okay, we're going to peel this protective blue sheet off first. So I'm going to block off the sides of my nails with cellophane tape to make cleanup a little easier. I'm allergic to latex, and I'm sure that they make the latex non-latex cleanup, but I didn't get any. Ta-da! Okay, this is my first time stamping, but we're gonna put nail polish on half and swipe it down, but you have to move quickly because you don't want it to dry. So we're gonna remove the excess. Oh, that worked pretty good. Well, the colors I chose are not necessarily super contrasting, but overall it was a success because it came off the stamper. So, yeah. But we're gonna do another layer with a lighter color. But in between each layer, you do have to clean the plates. So you do want to use pure acetone to clean the plates, but you do not use acetone to clean the stamper ever, because this is made from plastic and it will melt the plastic. To clean the stamper, you're just going to use cellophane tape and clean the excess. And it comes right off. There you go. Okay, let's try this again with another color. Something maybe more contrasting. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, I hit the nail. It's better. I definitely messed that up, but it's still cute. If I had chose different colors, I think it would have turned out differently. With a nice top coat, I think it'll still be cute. And the kit came with some bedazzle aspects, so yeah, I think it'll be cute anyway. But either way, a success. I switched the base coat to a lighter color instead of the dark gray, and let's just see if the hot pink stands out a little bit better. You definitely want to have like a paper towel down to catch the excess. Much better. So the lighter polish underneath with the dark transfer on top is much better to see. Okay, and we're gonna try for like a 3D effect on top of the pink. I don't know if this is dark enough though, or opaque enough. We'll see. If I was trying to position it better, it would have been more 3D, but I definitely like it. And it worked out really, really cute. Yeah, I'm super pleased and it's really fun. Okay, time for easy cleanup. And then you'll just do the remainder of cleanup, whatever came through. Or you can just use a brush or a Q-tip and acetone. But yeah, that was pretty awesome for no cleanup. Make sure that you wait until this polish is completely dry, the transfers, before you put a top coat on. But you do have to put a top coat on to make sure that the transfers don't smear. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye.